I'm Mike Burton, an ecologist with Stantec, and I'd like to take a moment to introduce to you the members of the MiSound team. MiSound is made up of scientists and engineers from Stantec and Ericsson Consulting Engineers. Stantec is 22,000 dedicated professionals and over 1,000 folks in the Gulf Coast. We're part of the communities we serve, and when we say community, we mean everybody with a stake in the work we do, from the clients we collaborate with to the populations we reach. We stay true to local values, whether we're building new communities or revitalizing old ones. We treat our clients as partners with a common goal, that we're invested in their success long after the ribbon is cut. At Stantec, the relationships we form span multiple projects and last lifetimes. The four key project components are bioswale, filter marsh, pump station, and dune restoration areas will provide benefits to the sound through physical, chemical, and biological processes to enhance water quality. The bioswale, project component number 1, will serve as an initial method to treat stormwater flows before entering the sound. This watercourse with gently sloped sides with vegetation and riprap will slow the conveyance of stormwater, providing the first opportunity for filtration. Sediment suspended in the stormwater will settle in the bottom of the bioswale. Once water enters the bioswale, planted native vegetation will filter contaminants from the water by phytoremediation, removing heavy metals and excess nutrients from the stormwater. The water initially treated in the bioswale will continue downstream through culverts and pipes and be introduced into a large linear filter marsh parallel to the shoreline. The filter marsh, project component number 2, will have a deep center basin to allow additional solids to settle, improving the quality of surface water flows. Native species of wetland plants and microphytes in the marsh will further reduce nutrients. The pump station, project component number 3, will convey flows through a high-capacity pump station under pressure via an underground pipe to be directionally drilled under Highway 90 and the beach, with the water ultimately being released into Mississippi Sound through an underwater diffuser assembly placed on the seafloor beyond the depth of closure. An offshore discharge helps to minimize risks to the health of beachgoers and the nearshore environment. This underground pipe will eliminate the need to have hardened structures such as open box culverts or outfall pipes on the beach, improving both nearshore water quality and the aesthetics of the beach itself. While this solution is proposed for a single outfall location, there may be economic and environmental benefits to consolidating several outfalls into one discharge location, such as we've done in other areas. The proposed solution is scalable. We recommend the consolidation of multiple outfalls to limit the impact of multiple discharge points along the Mississippi coastline. Dune restoration. Project component number 4 is proposed waterward of Highway 90 to capture sheet flow runoff from the highway towards the adjacent beach and prevent potentially contaminated water from directly entering the sound. On the back of the restored dune, in other words on the highway side, a filter scrub area will be established to treat the sheet flow runoff from the adjacent highway, parking areas, and other impervious surfaces. Water filtered through the back dune will infiltrate horizontally into the dune sand for further treatment before final diffusion through the beach sand into the Mississippi Sound. Professionals of the MiSound team have replaced beach outfalls with similar systems in Sarasota and Naples, Florida. These projects used a unique design developed by Ericsson engineers to diffuse stormwater into offshore tidal waters, minimizing risk to human health and the environment. These outfalls have performed very well, eliminating unsightly fixed surface structures and ensuring reliable drainage systems even in low coastal communities. We welcome new ideas and original and creative thinking applied to everything we do. We bring inventive problem solving to challenges of any size or scale. Our designs balance community, aesthetic, and environmental values with safety, economics, and performance. This competition gives us the opportunity to showcase the things that we do really well, whether it's 3D models, visualizations, studies, analyses, and creative designs. The MiSound team is looking to solve problems where they need it most along the Mississippi coast.